Now, I am headed on vacation and I wanted to come on through and give you guys an easy alternative. So let's dig on into this Outre wig and I'll see you on the other side. Y'all, I'm back with another one from Outre. Yes, I just came on here bald-headed like a skittle diddle. I don't care because I had a dream about braids. And then I woke up and remember I had a wig with braids in it. So let's check this out. I'm a little nerve-sighted. This is Outre Lace Frontal Wig, French Curl Box Braid, and 32 inches. Okay, so this is the stock card. I have her in the color DR Vanilla Latte. All right, I'm excited about this. I'm gonna take this out so you guys can see her all the way out the pack. Look how beautiful she is. Okay, this is the cap construction. All right, so you can see the lace. I already have on a cap on purpose. Let's throw her, I'm gonna show you the cap construction first before I throw her on my head. She has 2 combs on the side. This is a 13x4 lace frontal. Get into the curls on the, I'm a little excited, okay? She has a lace band, adjustable straps, will kind of forever. 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, okay? Let's throw her on and see what Mother's working with here for that. I'm definitely getting my hair braided. I'm super excited about doing that because it's about that time. If you know what I'm putting down. Just to get like a break, or not even a break. My hair is always braided, but I just like braids. And I think we're going to grease. So some braids would be nice. Okay. Okay, I think we could do something with her. Okay. Okay, let me shut my Mimi Tech mouth. Let me first say this unit on Amazon is going for $75. On most wig sites, she's going for under $50. Okay, I'm gonna leave my Amazon link, but you know, be good capitalists. Yeah, I'm not forcing y'all to buy from it, but okay, I love the color. Are you getting into the color, sis? Let me show my Mimi something out. I'm going to get this unit together. Give me a minute while I zhuzh her. And definitely darken up the lace because Mother is white. Okay? And I'm going to see you on the other side. All right, my loves. So I'm going on through and I'm going to darken up this lace with the Ruby Kiss foundation. I just like to go on through and make sure she looks a little bit more seamless. Now let's actually talk about this unit. So I have this Outre pre-braided lace front wig. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. Okay, now she is on a cap. She's braided on the cap, just so you all know. So there is a bit of filler hair in there in the back as well, but what I love is that it doesn't make it Humpty Mumpty. Now we have seen braided wigs in the past that give you a little bit too many humps and the bumps, okay, and that's not what this does. So I'm just chopping off the extra lace here because we want a seamless install. Now, I'm gonna be honest, this unit, I think if you really want her to do the thing, I mean do that big thing, what you're gonna do is glue Mother down. I am super impressed with how this looked. If I can be honest, I have a feeling about braided wigs. I feel like you shouldn't even have to like just sit down and get the braids. However, if you are looking for a non-permanent solution, like something that's just you can grab and go, throw on and go, baby, this pre-braided wig is really for you. So I have the French curl in the Vanilla Latte color, and I am so glad I got this because I was also testing out the hair color. I didn't know if I got braids, whether or not I would look good in a DR4 latte, that kind of blonde, sandy blonde look. But baby, I'm feeling very, very sassy, okay, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. And I think this unit is really, really perfect. I'm not even going to lie. If you're looking for the alternative, this is the only way to go. Look at the braids. It's a yucky texture unit. So it's yaki hair, obviously. The French curl is really, really giving. You don't have to do anything to her to keep it up. I'm just going on through. I wanted to give you guys some styles because you should know just how versatile this unit is. A lot of times we get braids because we want to be able to do some things with them. So that's what we're going to do here. So I'm just using some elastic bands and getting this together. But everything that I'm using on this wig, including the wig, will be on my Amazon shop, honey. Look at this. Girl, good mammy tech night. Now, like I said, if you're a girl on the go, a gay on the go, a guy on the go, a gal on the go, a they on the go, this is the way to go. You guys really need to figure out if sitting in a salon ain't it no more, that's okay. Outre gave us an alternative. Now, I don't have any negatives. I'm gonna be honest. And I think it's because I've done a unit by Outre before that was a braided wig, okay? And I am going to say this right here and right now. This is much better. Mucho better, okay? So I feel like whatever I thought the issue was, which was primarily the filler hair in the back, which gave you that Humpty Mumpty Mump that I'm just not feeling, this one does not, okay? So I'm gonna shut my mammy tat and mouth. I'm gonna give you a few more styles, and I'm gonna see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. So I have one last thing before I turn you over to your final thoughts, just to give you guys a little bit of logistics. This unit is 32 inches long. So the braids are 32 inches. She's very big head friendly. She did have that adjustable band so you can have a flatter install, which is super important. But you can use those adjustable straps for kind of forever in the back to make sure mother is tight. So you could wear this glueless, okay? So if you're a girl like me that don't always want to glue stuff down, because that's just not my style. I really do love wearing girl wigs. This one is for you. So now I'm gonna let you guys get into my final thoughts, but I want to know what you guys feel. How do you feel about the hair color? How do you feel about the French curl? Let me know your thoughts on a braided wig. I really am curious, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so I done gave y'all all these different styles. So y'all know that if you glue mother on down, I didn't even glue her down, y'all. I did put like a little bit of spray on her. But in truth, this is what she is giving without any spray. And I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Usually it gives humped and mumped. And this time around, it really didn't do that. So I'm like really happy with how this turned out. Where's my... Let me just put a little bit of spritz. on the parts. And I think sometimes wetting the parts up make them look even more realistic. You know what I mean? I really don't have anything else to say. Sorry, guys. I really don't have anything else to say. This took nothing. Honestly, all I did was use my Janet Holden spray to kind of lay her down. But she kind of gave what she was supposed to give on her own without me doing much of anything. I'm like really into this. I've really been wanting my hair braided. I've been wanting to go color. Probably going to stick to jet black. Not because this is not a good color. This color is stunning. Bust up on her, okay? The ends are going to get a little frazzled, but that's okay because I think we expect that now. We're used to the goddess and everything like that kind of braids. This is a vibe. This is an absolute positive vibe. I really couldn't be happier with how this turned out. I am a little bit worried sometimes when I wear synthetic units, whatever's on them kind of breaks out my back. That's my truth. So I am a bit worried about that with this unit, but she's a stunner. I mean, she's worth it. And y'all know how I feel. Like, I really am one of those people that, like, if I'm getting my hair braided, I'm getting my hair braided. I don't care that I got to sit there and get it done or whatever the case may be. But I wasn't sure if I was going to like a blonde color. And I'm kind of glad that I took the time to kind of, like, see what it may look like. So, there's that. All right? I still might get jet black. But that's just because I'm corny and I'm boring and that's just my life. This is really, really cute. Again, on most wig sites, she's really relatively affordable as well. So it ain't even a price to go sit down at nobody's salon. I don't know, y'all. What do y'all think? Are we like doing this in 2024? Are we doing wig braided wigs? I've done one before, okay? And this one is kind of like given as well. But I think she's a vibe. Right? Oh, look how cute she is. Y'all, this is too much. This is what you got to do. Like, you got to keep it simple, stupid. Like, they really did this is like a really good job. And I love this color. This DR Vanilla Latte is really not nothing to be. It's like a nice dark root blonde. And I kind of like that. I like it a lot. So, we did the thing. We ain't got no more. I'm into this. And I hope you guys are too. I tried to give you guys some styling so you can see kind of what she is working with. But this is a super versatile unit. She is not that expensive. I'm really into her. Let's see. Tell me what you think. Are we doing braided wigs? Are we not? Are we gluing down our wigs? Are we not? Let me know. Let your girl know. I'm your girl, Intrastar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.